Hi everyone, this is Mr. No. Today I will show you one website. It's called workaway.info that will help you with travel if you are a traveler who wants to roam the world on a budget. So how it works? So let me show you how it works. So you can come to this website and click on how it works if you want to get more information about it. So if so there are thousands of people around the world who would like to travel, but they may not have a lot of money and budget to travel and stay across the world. So what Workaway does is that Workaway connects you to various hosts across the world who would need some help in their country or wherever they are. So they will post various jobs, like if it is as little help they need with managing a hotel or a facility, or they want some help with agriculture, they will mention that in their in this website, and in return they will offer various accommodations and other benefits in those area of stay. So this is how it works. A worker is a traveler who wants to give back to the communities and places they visit. They're open to helping hosts and using the experience to learn and immerse in the local culture. It could be even tech related jobs, managing the social media of a surf club. That could be one role. In return, you will get food, you will get to stay in their accommodation, you might get to even experience surfing. So you join the community, you create a great profile. So you'll get verified within 24 hours. You'll connect with host. You can contact your favorite hosts, discuss your stay and what is expected in return. Then you can travel like a local. You can discover new cultures, friends, places, and skills. So how are you traveling? Are you a solo traveler or looking to share your adventure with someone else? Then you can travel as a pair, or you can travel with others also. So this platform provides you to find a travel buddy also. So what's included? A huge selection of hosts. There is no hidden fees whatsoever. A truly global membership. It will help you connect with other travelers. You can even get personal reference letters, which will improve your credibility in this platform. You get 24 hours dedicated support. So how do you search for it? Now that you know how it works, there are various types of workaways: traveling couples, traveling families, language learners, digital nomads. So now let's find a host. So now let's look at some country like US. Let's say show hosts. So I'll say Central America. We all hosts in America. Okay, so let me see. We all hosts in America. This is in Central America. Panama. If I change it to United States. Okay, I understand information for those planning to visit the US. If you are not a US citizen and are planning to visit to work, volunteer or study will need the correct visa. So for US you will need a visa. So these are the various hosts that is there. Some of them are even offering paid positions. Join in and help on our boer goat farm in Central Peninsula, USA. Join our family at our home in San Francisco Bay Area. So let's put something like Australia. Okay, so Australia. So join our family on a regenerative hobby farm in Victoria, Australia. So let's just take this up. Now, practical volunteer at a home in Victoria. Helping our family on our farm on Kangaroo Island. Then painting, gardening and other projects. Then you have help a family with gardening and DIY tasks in Queensland. Then you can looking for help with a variety of DIY projects and gardening. So let's look at this. So join our family on a regenerative hobby farm So here it says host rating. Last replied, we are a family of four living on our farm in Macedon Ranges. Our family consists of these few people. We have dogs, horses, guinea pigs. So our region is farming, winery, and scenic tourist destination. Types of helps and learning opportunity: help with eco projects, gardening, animal care. So these are the sustainable goals that is being delivered by this. Now we offer you insights. So languages, this is English is spoken there. Accommodation, separate studio, king bed, TV, internet, all these things are provided. What else? You will need your own car to get around, as while we are only 8 minutes drive from the train station, that 8 minutes is a long walk. So this is the feedback that has been left there. What you will get: travelers keen on gardening, farming, general house are also available here. So we offer an insight into regenerative farming and building up a farm to be great. We offer fabulous separate studio accommodation. Along with this, we offer full board groceries in return for 24 hours, 25 hours per week voluntary. Very flexible on days. Now, if you look at this, they need help with painting, gardening. So here you can see what is the help that they ask for. Need some help to repaint my house, do gardening, cleaning walls, ceiling, floors. I have a two-story house, 4 bedroom, 2 bathroom home, a shared lounge. The work will be in sleeping in our downstairs bedroom that is available. They will have access to downstairs bathroom and toilet. The shared laundry is downstairs. I will be able to provide my workaway guests with food while they are working for me. I have basic food in the house. But then when they work away, guests arrive, we can discuss food requirements needed. So this is what they offer. So this is the family who need help with gardening. So this is what they offer. So now let's look at some other country. Let's look at somewhere like Thailand. Yeah, let's look at Thailand and let's see what they are looking for. Okay, website skills for an ethical fashion brand. Help us teach English at our schools. Help us to make life of stray dogs healthier. Volunteer at the hands of elephant sanctuary. Help welcome on our mushroom farm. Share your skills in meditation. So this is what is expected. So now let's look at somewhere in India. I just want to give you a complete perspective of what is being looked. So help our family and dive into spirituality and sustainable farming adventures in Haryana. Then animal rescue, Western Ghats, a home away from Western Ghats. Grow, learn and build with us with Dev River in Andorra. So they need some help there. Now if you look at volunteer at a backpacker hostel in Rajasthan, join us in Varanasi. Help with our creative hotel project in Kumbhalgarh Fort, India. Now let's look at some European location, Germany. Okay, so let's look at it. So if you are outside the UA, European Union, and planning to visit Germany to volunteer, work or study, you will need the correct visa. Okay, that is there. So help on our small organic farm in Bavaria. So let's look at something like Maldives, if they have something, because it's a tourist location. So there's nothing there in Maldives. Now if I look at an expensive country like Singapore, let's see if they have something offer there. Okay, there's nothing there I guess in Singapore because Singapore is very expensive. Now let's see Dubai. Dubai would be interesting. Okay, let's see if something comes up for Dubai. Okay, there's nothing in 500 kilometers of Dubai. So let's look at Asia in general then. Okay, you have things in Sri Lanka, you have things in Japan. So, okay, so Japan is an interesting location. Let's check in Japan. Okay, Japan. This is the one. Welcome to our traditional home in Osaka, Japan. Help with paint a mural and daily life for an old house in Tokyo. They're asking for help in painting a mural. Teach English to Japanese. Help a family with daily tasks. Help a family with daily life in Kyoto. Help teach English. Join our small family on an island in Fukuoka, Japan. Play with our children with daily tasks and join there. Help with dog sitting. Join our bee farm. This is interesting, and learn how to harvest honey. So what do you get in return in Tokushima, Japan? Let's see. So I need a volunteer people who can stay in here in January. January is off season of beekeeping, so I don't think you can have practical beekeeping experiences. I would ask you to do indoor tasks mainly, like crafting the beehives, bottling the honey to jar, etc. Okay, so this is the name of the person. Beekeeping is fun and interesting as you think. You can learn a lot from this. So cultural exchange, you can learn how to take care of honeybees and gain insight into Japanese lifestyle. For a short time, you will learn how to manage and live a beekeeper's life, and you will see what tasks there are to be done in a beekeeper's home. I will provide 3 meals a day for you. Prepare your bed. The mornings and evenings, please prepare your own breakfast and supper with ingredients provided. You are welcome to cook the other meals if you're interested, but not necessary. I will try to accommodate your dietary needs, but please keep in mind that I am working with a limited budget. So this is what they are providing. So you can see the feedback also that is being left. If you want to see the photos of how things are, you can see that also here. This is the kitchen, this is the bath that has been offered. So in this way you will be able to find various such opportunities. Now let's look at how you can learn various skills. So learn a new skills, or you can generate a reference letter if you have helped people. You can earn badges. So let's look at learn a skill. So here you can come and learn various skills. So volunteering on a farm. What is it like to volunteer at chocolate farm? Help with art projects. Hospitality and tourism sectors, you can learn various skill set by learning and traveling. You can find a language buddy, learn a new language while sharing it with others. You can join various meetup events. You can find a travel buddy. You can come here and say, let's say you're looking to travel to any location, let's say Canada. Okay, I'll say Canada and hit search. So I can see people who are looking for travel buddies for traveling to Canada. Okay, so you'll see all these people. You can read through their profiles and you can contact them once they accept you. Now, if you want to attend various meetup events or Workaway nearby, you can do that. So events nearby, let's say in India, these are the events that is nearby. Now let's say some other country like Paris. Okay, so let's look at Paris. There is no event there. There is no event there. Let's look at Germany. They have an event there. United States. Okay, so let's look at. So this is events nearby. Workaway is nearby. So if you have to put a location on the map, then search for various events. So you can see various other Workaways. So these are various Workaways. You can see them on the map, and you can see the last known location also. So this is events nearby. So you can look at various events nearby. I think it's filters based on the map. Yeah, you can see this. Okay, smoking drive event, New Year event. So in this way, it will help you travel to this location on a budget, and you can learn various skills. You can get affordable hosts. You can get to meet new people and socialize basically. So I hope this information is useful. Thank you very much.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.